To have, avoir. In our previous lessons, you learned how to say I have, j'ai, you have, tu as, he has, il a. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say she has. She has, elle a, elle a. She has, elle a, she has. Elle a, she has, elle a. Let's apply what you've learned. Remember, the infinitive to have is always avoir. She has, elle a car, une voiture, a bicycle, un vélo, a dog, un chien, a cat, un chat. If you want to make the statement, she has a car, put it all together and say, elle a une voiture, elle a une voiture. She has a bike, elle a un vélo, elle a un vélo. She has a dog, elle a un chien, elle a un chien. She has a cat, elle a un chat, elle a un chat. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.